We're gonna make some potato wedges. Those potato wedges, we're gonna take up another level. We're gonna coat them with Greek yogurt, and we're also gonna put a little dry ranch dressing powder on there. It's gonna give them a great flavor, and what a great use of the Power Air Fryer Oven. Because we're not just doing air fried things in there, like French fries and onion rings and things like that. You can also do anything. Roasted potatoes is a great way to use this oven. So we're just gonna cut our potatoes into wedges, just like this. All right, so while I'm cutting these, I wanna let you know that I microwave them for 2 minutes on high, and that's just gonna help us get them to cook through a little bit quicker. So now we take our potato wedges and we put them out on our crisping tray, and then we're gonna coat them in the yogurt and the ranch dressing. Again, I'm just gonna use my little paintbrush. The paintbrush helps you do everything. It's so easy when you use the paintbrush to coat things. After we coat all the sides of the potatoes, then we're gonna take our ranch dressing powder and we're just gonna sprinkle them all over the potatoes. Don't worry if you make a mess. It's supposed to be that way. It's fun. It's fun to make a mess. You have to clean the cutting board anyway. So now we just set the Power Air Fryer Oven. It's so easy to do. We're gonna go all the way up to 400 degrees for 12 minutes. That's all it's gonna take. Then we take our potatoes and we pop them in. So you just line it up, push it in. I could do 1 rack, I could do 3 racks. It's that easy. In 12 minutes, it's gonna count down. It's gonna shut off by itself, and then we're gonna check out our beautiful roasted, our air roasted potato wedges with ranch dressing. Let's check out our potato wedges. Oh man, they look good. Let me get these out. Look at that. Just a little bit of yogurt, a little bit of seasoning, and it's amazing how well everything cooks in the Power Air Fryer Oven. I'm just serving these with a little ranch dressing on the side, and whether you're having these as a little snack or you're having these as a side dish, they are just absolutely delicious. Everything comes out better in the Power Air Fryer Oven. I know you'll think so too.